Hey guys, this is Victor with DIY Time, and today I want to share with you a quick fix that I discovered today. It's Friday evening. I just want to tackle one of the problems this weekend, and this car pretty much has a really loud, distinct rattling sound when going over the bumps. The rattling sound was coming from the front driver's side wheel well, so I jacked up the car and removed the front wheel and started checking the suspension for any obvious signs of the problem. Everything looked fine at first and I couldn't find anything wrong, but then later I noticed that one of the bolts was obviously loose, and it was the bolt for the lower control arm bushing right here. I used a 17mm socket to tighten the bolt, and as you will see here, I made almost 2 complete turns to get it tight again. After I was done, I put everything back together and test drove the car, and to my excitement, the rattling sound was gone. So if you have a similar problem, you may want to check your suspension and make sure all of the bolts and nuts are tight. I hope this video was helpful and it gave you an idea what to look for. And if so, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more Toyota, Lexus and Scion repairs like this. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.